ICP Army strong here. Make your voices heard in the comments, guys, because the bulls are back. The bulls are back. And we're at $5.60 on ICP. And it was just a couple of days ago that we were saying how bearish this looked. We had double confluence. What was the double confluence? We got the big daddy, the 200 daily moving average. That's our main resistance barrier. And we're working our way up towards that. What was the other area of confluence? The 200 daily moving average, $5.74. Current price, $5.60. We're not that far away. This trend line was the other area of resistance, and we're breaking through this trend line now. We're breaking back into trend, and that carries a lot of weight, guys, because we dropped 61.8% retracement. We've had a bounce from the 61.8% retracement, and now the bulls turn, the bulls turn, the bulls turn. So the area that we need to break, the area that we need to close, and the area that we need to retake, it could be happening today, guys. It could be happening by the end of the day. So $5.73. Once we take back $5.73, that means that we are bullish on ICP. What happens when you're above the moving average? Bam. That's what happens when you're above the moving average. So we've been in this range now. We've been in this range. And since we dropped, this goes back to March 2025. So we've been quite a few months in this range. And once we get a breakout of this range, and once we get a breakout of the 200 daily moving average, you'll see this drop here. You'll see exactly the same to the upside here. So that is $9, the next resistance point. We're only making small swings here. These are small swings on ICP. So the first one we need to overcome is the 200. The second thing that we need to overcome is the top of this range that we've been in since March 2025. That is $6.24. Once we break, once we close above $6.24, that's not just bullish, that is acceleration time on ICP. And then, guys, we make our way back up to this, the trend line at $13.28. So $13.28, could that be the bull market high? Nobody knows what the bull market high is going to be. It could be the bull market high, but when in doubt, zoom out. Let's have a look at this. When in doubt, zoom out. So this is the bear market range. This is the lower high. This is the lower high. This is the lower high. And this will be the next lower high. So what I'm saying is once we get a breakout of that, see an acceleration all the way to $35. Now, do you put limit orders in, sell limit orders at $35, expecting it to hit $35? We don't know how long we've got left in the market, and you've got to play the swings. That means taking profits along the way, guys. So what I'm saying is the bulls are back. We need to overcome the 200 daily moving average either today or tomorrow. Once we break and a close above, you've got your little resistance here at $6.20, $6.22. Once we break above that, guys, you've got an acceleration all the way to $9. Once you break your $9, then there's the top of the bear market lower high wedge, all the way back up here at $13 just over. Right, okay, if you did enjoy this video, guys, let me know in the comments what you want me to cover next, because what I'm going to be doing either today or tomorrow is my 10,000 or 1,000. Let's make it 1,000. $1,000 portfolio. If I had $1,000 today, how much would I put into crypto? How much would I allocate into each one? I'm going to show you a $1,000 portfolio over the next couple of days. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you want to see that, and I'll see you in the next one.